what you wanted, but you don't even trust yourself. We were so high up in love, but not enough to bring us back from where we fell. I feel paralyzed looking in your eye. We were made perfectly.
Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be bringing you along on day in the life, what I do as a correctional nurse. So yep, it's not very complicated. However, phones are allowed in my medical unit just because typically there's no inmates unless they're doing a sick call, and then obviously I wouldn't bring my phone out, but I cannot bring my phone out when I'm in the pods, so I can't show you like that typical routine there, but I can show you what I do here and hope you enjoy. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe.
My head feels like a fountain overflowing, going upside down, giving me more heart, sky higher than mountains, kind of love could turn me inside out.
So right now I'm setting up for somebody who's getting IV antibiotics through a PICC line. We typically do everything here unless we are unable to accommodate their needs, which is typically specialty needs, and then we send them out to the hospital. But we don't like doing that because they have to go in shackles and it's kind of dehumanizing for them. So right now I'm setting up for the SASH method. So that means saline, and then the antibiotic, and then saline again, and then we push heparin. This ball is really cool because it is pressure release. It has all the antibiotic in it, and they don't even need to walk around with a pole. They just walk around with that and like a little fanny pack, and then when it is done, we remove it. They are able to go back to their unit with it. They do not need to stay in medical while it's infusing because, like I said, it is pressure release. However, there is a CO monitoring them. I just got a call that somebody is having a headache. Inmates do have sick call, means they have access 24 hours to medical care. So if somebody is having a headache or they're feeling unwell, we are able to treat them. Everything is generic. We do not have like prescription medication unless it's specific to their needs. So that's why you see a big old bottle of Tylenol, because we are able to give it. Right here, you see me going into a lock box. We keep all of our sharps locked up, including insulin needles, scissors, anything like that, and they are counted every shift. And if there is something missing, we have to report it immediately, and then they will search every single pod, every single unit, every single room. It's really a nightmare, so we try to make sure we have everything on our person at all times. So we do have Gatorade for people, so if somebody is like having diarrhea, vomiting, or if they're going through withdrawals, we are able to give them Gatorade. That is a medical referral. However, we're able to give it, and then the provider will follow up with them within 24 hours. Like I said, anything that is over the counter, we just put a soap note in, and the provider is able to see it, just in case they have any questions on why we were giving it. We do have a protocol for all over-the-counter medications. So let's say somebody was having a headache or toothache. For example, if somebody is having dental pain, per the protocol, we are able to give them Tylenol 3 times a day as needed. And if it continues, then they would be reassessed. But we do have dentists, we have psychiatrists, we have x-ray. Everything is on site, like I said, unless it is a specialty need.
If it hurts just as much as it did before, and honestly, the third time, the fourth time, now baby, I'm getting bored. You're keeping me awake for the last time. I put my phone in airplane mode tonight. You can waste your breath, I won't waste mine, 'cause it's the last time. You're keeping me.
Hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also, if you're new here, make sure you subscribe and turn your notifications on so you can get notified on my next upcoming video. If you guys have any questions, definitely leave a comment below or on my other forms of social media, which are linked below, and I'll definitely get back to you guys.
Your feelings when you could try to control it. Ooh. And I can see that you lost it, but I think you like the drama more than you like the cost of the truth. So come on, ask me, yeah, why it just doesn't hurt like it tonight. You can waste your breath, I won't waste mine, 'cause it's the last.
Medical, listen, Mimi. Okay. Alright, put soap bucket away. These are the type of calls we get, so I have to go get a replacement. But I'm gonna make a note because I have to go do vitals in like 5 minutes.
You know it. You're losing patience with me, but baby, don't show it. Ooh.
A new referral in for that, just because, you know, it is technically here, medical equipment, so they need a referral for that. But it's gonna already be approved, but I'm just gonna get it ready, just so when the provider comes in, they see it, they can give me the go ahead to go bring it up. Just put it in my thing, just so when I'm going to do my vitals, it'll be all ready. I do it like this. It's just because they know not to call the medical unit for the next 30 minutes. However, if there's medical emergency, they will set it over the loudspeaker, and all medical providers will go right into it. So anybody who comes in under acute substance use withdrawals, we put them under cows, and anybody who scores accordingly, we will medicate them accordingly as well.
My lips were coughing. Oh yeah. I'm Ken, your Barbie. Right place, right time. Yeah, you magnetize my mind. But now I'm caught up in a naive mind, thinking that our time has just passed us by. Do we ever get enough time? I don't know. I wonder if we'll be still here at 23 with you right next to me. I don't know. I love you early. You're such a dollar, but you'd never hurt me. We'd be a jet, never end. I don't wanna be a friend.
Guys, thanks for coming along with me on my day in the life as a correctional nurse. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you're new, definitely make sure you subscribe and turn your notifications on so you can get notified on my next upcoming video, because here there's always way more fun to come. I am very passionate about what I do. If you guys have any questions, definitely leave a comment below or on my other forms of social media, and I'll definitely get back to you guys.